Hello, and welcome to a grab and go put on by me, Christine, the teen librarian at the Jones Creek branch of the East Baton Rouge Parish Library. Today we will be making sand slime. The materials you will need are some sand, 2 condiment cups full of glue, 1 condiment cup full of liquid starch, a bowl, a stirring stick, a spoon, a half cup of water. Let's begin. Pour your glue and your water in a bowl and stir. Now, with your spoon that you've kept nice and dry, spoon in a couple of spoonfuls of sand to your watery glue. Now it's time to add your liquid starch. And stir. At this point, it's time to get messy. Once you take it out of the bowl, it starts getting sticky and remarkably slimy. I have now added an entire extra condiment cup worth of sand. And I really like how it's bulked out the texture and made it look less wet. So my recommendation to you is to add as much sand as your heart desires, because the slime can take it. If you have enjoyed this activity, please engage with us on social media and return to the library for more grab and go activities.